This is the 6th video on the creation of the gear with using SolidWorks design tables. I'm going to click on the sketch and hit the extrude button, and notice that the select contours window is active. So I'll just come in here and I want to select that tooth, and then we'll just say through all. Okay, so we now have a tooth. We need to put in the fillet. The fillet is going to be 1/16, and make sure you do both sides. So we now have one tooth with fillets, and we're going to put in the center hole. So I'm going to just click on that face and hit the hole wizard, and this is just a regular standard drill. The diameter is 3/8. It's going to be a through hole, and the position will just be right at the center there. Okay, so we have the hole. Now we can go ahead and do the circular pattern. Features to pattern, we can either pick the tooth, make sure you get the fillet, or we can just grab it from here. There's the tooth, that's the fillet. In terms of the pattern axis, I'm going to click in there and then just click inside that surface, and we want 33 teeth over 360 degrees, equally spaced. So now you can see that the gear is complete. Make sure that, I'm just going to show you this. If you go to options, under display selection, make sure you have tangent edge removed. If you've selected tangent edge removed and you see some lines here on these teeth, then it's probably because you forgot to put in the tangency constraint between the radial line and the spline. So make sure that you have that. At any rate, now you're all set to actually go ahead and create the drawing. So we're going to go ahead and start the drawing. First I'm going to save the part file and then create a drawing file, and so you can go ahead and put that in. Put a nice metric in there, and we'll reduce the scale on that to 1:2. So just one thing I want to point out here, in the drawing you will want to put in show the pitch circle, and an easy way to get the pitch circle is to go back to the part here and click on this sketch and select show. Okay, so now you can actually see the sketch, and then what we'll do is click on the pitch circle and hit convert entities. Okay, and at this point we'll hide the sketch, we don't need that anymore, and click on that pitch circle and switch that to for construction. Okay, so that gives you the construction circle that shows the pitch circle, which then you can put a diameter on. So I think that is about all you need at this point. I'm going to do a separate video that shows you how you could actually create this curve with an equation. So SolidWorks, in other words, does give you the capability to do an equation-driven curve. So I'll pick that up in the next video.